Good stuff.
How big?
Not the kind we want. It's like the kind we want, only smaller. Yeah. Nice, buddy.
I got a Cisco herring at Coochie while I was perch fishing.
Okay, let it go back.
Go back.
Let it go back.
Okay.
Here, we'll get one more shot. Put one hand on him. Hold on. There. Nice.
Can you just down this hole?
Sure.
Yeah. Just put it down this hole.
Oh no!
Put it back again. Okay, that was a good job.
Yeah, they look. Fish!
Nice, nice. Oh yeah. Beauty. All right.
Keep it.
Do you want to keep it or should we put them back?
Keep it. That's a pretty good
I
size.
think we should put it back. We need some bigger ones.
Got one.
Jake's on.
Can you put that one back? Nice and slow. Bye. Okay, here's another one. That's pretty cool.
Jake's on like Donkey Kong. You're in there, Pete?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
Jake, that's pretty cool.
It's
Nice.
too small, isn't it?
You want to put it back or keep it?
It's too small.
Okay, so he's gonna put it back.
Everything's pretty quiet now, and just thinking about having me a little nap. Till a perch wakes me up. Just like a kiss from your mother in the morning.
Take a picture now.